Today we got some road rage. Like, comment, subscribe, Garner Educate, Journey to 1 Mile,
Okay, let's
Pennsylvania.
Alright. Does you want to get yourself something?
No, I don't.
Oh!
Oh my god!
Yo, what the?
Oh, here we
What is
go.
in here?
Here we go.
What the happened there,
Here we go.
bro? I got a dash cam. I got a dash cam.
Now he's all scared.
I got a dash cam. Don't tell me.
Mike!
Oh!
Mike!
I'll check my dash cam right now.
Are you kidding me?
I got no damage.
That guy jumped out. The old man jumped out like he was gonna do something.
When it comes to if I'm not gonna make it right, I'm not gonna make
Wisconsin,
it right.
y'all.
So like, I'm still not gonna make it. Yeah.
Oh, of course. You fucking idiot.
He had a flasher.
You're like, I'm not gonna. No, you said this time suck. Yeah. Get the fries.
Yeah, at least.
Get the ranch.
That was good defense,
You know, anything you want. Tater tots, not so
Alright,
Oh, here we go. This dumb bitch. Here we go, Karen.
Pressures were on the f***ing job. Do you have to be?
Oh, here we go.
Jesus f***ing Christ!
the blinkers were on, not your turn signal. I didn't know you were turning here. The turn signal wasn't on, the hazards were on.
Just go. Just f***ing go.
That's
She's having a hard day
what
already.
I'm doing.
He's so mad.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh, hey.
It's Texas. San Antonio. Birds out to Texas. Oh! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Damn, bro. You can't just overtake 3 lanes at once. This guy, bro. I would've hit his car. Oh, here we go again. Here we go. Oh, shit. What is he doing? What the hell? Oh, gosh. The guy's still upset? New Middletown, Ohio. Ohio. Oh, damn.
I have you on dash cam. I will get back in your car. Get back in your car. Go. Get back in
What?
your car. I got a dash cam. I got a dash cam.
Stockton, Cali. Looks like Cali. Oh, and he's driving like a Californian. What the fuck? Ain't no way this is happening. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, no way. Oh, well, no, I guess he doesn't get his flask back. What the fuck? What's wrong with that ball, dude? A yield sign. Oh, it didn't yield at all.
Yo.
Can't do that. But okay. I got a blast through a roundabout where I was on the right of way.
Beat the.
I was on the hazard. Anyway.
You had a. You had a yield. You go back and look. You.
Wanna go?
You wanna go?
You have to yield, you asshole.
You wanna go?
You. I got it all on dash cam, bud. All on dash cam. Go for it.
Oh my god.
Working with Top House.
British Columbia is Canada. The fuck is going on? Bro looks so upset. He just... Let me talk to you, my friend. My friend was not 100% in the event, but nothing. A nice quick brake check. Oh gosh, ain't no way. Dallas, Texas. Prayers, Texas. Oh my god. What the hell?
What was
that? For real, that's what I said. What was that? What the? What is she doing? Bitch. Oh, here we go. We gotta catch up to the person that started everything. Oh god. So that person's so mad to my left. That person is so upset. Still going. Oh. That person's crazy. What the fuck is this person doing? SZF9443. Illinois. I guess they're just going way too slow, maybe? I don't know. What the fuck is what the? They're trying to share a lane. What is he doing? Yeah. Yacht 8. What the fuck is yacht? Okay. I would have just let them through at that point, man. It is what it is. I'm not gonna waste my breath for that bullshit. Oh, brake check. Kermit the Frog. Avenue 22 Bridal. Didn't say exactly what city, but
What is this guy doing?
truck, you're gonna have to back up, my guy. The truck's gonna have to back up.
Bro, that's not a parking spot. You're an idiot, man. You heard me. Why are you parking in the driveway? You're an idiot. Somewhere else. That's why.
Damn.
Can't even park properly, eh? Where'd you learn to drive?
One's in Canada. This is Canada. Can you park properly, eh? Nevada. What is he doing? What are you doing? He said stop, Nick. He said stop. He said stop. You don't see the sign that says stop? The construction worker is so upset.
And you need to have it decentralized.
That construction worker was so mad that he just kept going. Bro, you're not gonna stop the car though. Just let it go.
As convenient as possible, and you have
That
as short
point.
lines as possible because you don't want hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands, definitely not hundreds of thousands.
Bro, that car does not letting that truck merge. Just let him merge. It's over. He's too big for you. Pause. Like the car's too big. Just let it go. Just let it go. Now you got the truck just going so fucking slow.
Now,
here we go, the road rage. Road rage, road
it's better than
ragers.
having nothing in your hands, but what do you need to take that to something edible? Like water and an energy source, which are also extremely hard to
Cali, shout out Cali. El Cerrito. Wait, what? I'll let you know if they're on drugs. Nah, he ain't on drugs. He's just a hothead. He ain't on drugs. He's just a hothead.
When your question is actually a bunch of questions.
When's the best time this weekend to host a backyard?
Pennsylvania, Clifton Heights. Looks like this truck's trying to merge. Not letting them. Well, when can he merge then? Like, come on, man. He's trying to merge. And you're on both of the cars are not letting them. He was ahead of the other car, and the black car's not letting him. You're not letting him. So where is he supposed to go? He's trying to merge. Like, why? Like, this person right here, bro, you're an asshole. Whoever his dash cam this is, bro, you're an asshole. Just let him merge. Just let him merge, bro. I hate people like that, bro. I'm just trying to merge. You're just trying to merge, bro. I would be mad too. What the hell, bro? You come on, bro. That's fuck.
I'm out of lane, my dude.
I'm on my name, my dude. No, I don't wanna. Now I'm scared, my dude. Now I'm scared. Puss? Like, this guy's a pussy in this car. Whoever the. I'm in my lane. I'm in my lane. I'm gonna lock all my car doors. I'm scared. Like, you're a pussy, bro.
I'm out of lane.
Oh, I'll be pissed too. Who's a pussy? Honking and doing all that bullshit. Now he's like, I'm in my lane. I'm in my lane. Shut the fuck up, bro. Don't honk then. The fuck? Long Island, New York. Oh shit. We got the Honda boys. They're the Kia boys. We got the Honda boys. Didn't hug nor flash him, but I did throw my hands up. It says, why would you throw your hands up though? Like, you're antagonizing them. Told you. Ooh, if he wants to hit your whip. It's not even his whip. Ooh, he looks upset. This guy definitely was off his meds.
So right here, I see they getting a little too close, right? So I get off the brake right there. Boom. They had a chance not to hit me.
Oh!
Didn't get. So I get off the brake right there. Boom.
Of
They had a
course.
chance not to hit me.
You brake checked them, so of
Didn't
course
get
you
off the
didn't hit
brake. Look at him, gone. Just took off on me. But luckily, I had a trailer kitchen, and they pretty much ran smack into that, tore that radiator up. So I'm over here chilling. I'm like, dang, what should I do or whatever? So I end up moving to this spot over here so I can easily tell.
What?
the cops where I'm at. Tell me why the person comes into this parking lot, dog. The same parking lot I'm in. I'm like, bro, ain't no way. Tell me why they call a lift or whatever and flee the scene right here in front of me. Like, they didn't even know I was in the same parking lot. The cops took their time getting there, and it came like literally 3 minutes.
That's wild.
Over here, so I can easily tell the cops where I'm at. Tell me why the person comes into this parking lot, dog. The same parking lot I'm in. I'm like, bro, ain't no way. Tell me why they call a lift or whatever and flee the scene right here in front of me. Like, they didn't even know I was in the same parking lot. The cops took their time getting there, and it came like literally 3 minutes after this. Like, right after they pulled off. I mean, I'm grateful I didn't have significant damages, but dang.
Like, I'm subscribed to Educate Your I'm out, y'all. I'll be back.
Bye, have a great time.